Good morning, everyone. Hi, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Ashley and I'm the owner of Agent Renovation. And here on this channel, we make videos about how to make your real estate easier. I am here to help you make real estate easier. I want to save you all the trial and error, show you how I got from not being able to afford anything but a business card to owning my very own office and having my own team. And I'm only 35, so if you guys would like to see how to do this, come along for the ride. Good morning.
We electrified. We do it like we do.
God, I love my office. Definitely the prettiest real estate office around, hands down. This is my office, for anyone who doesn't know. So today, first, before we do anything, we're gonna get this place spiritually cleansed. We do not start working till number one, we have done ourselves first. I do not even leave my house until I've fully done all my self-love care. At that point, then I can go to work and start trading my time for money. Before that, no. What do I mean when I say do you first? Okay, so number one, you can head on over to Soul Renovation. We have an entire checklist. I do have a morning checklist for all your morning routine that you should do before you even start your real estate. From there, then you can go to your office or you can go to wherever your workspace is and you can begin your day first by spiritually cleansing your space. If you don't work out of a proper office, that's a problem. That's your number one first problem. If you are doing your real estate from home, you're gonna fail. This is not a winning model for succeeding in real estate. That is for people that wanna treat real estate like a part-time job, not like a career. If you wanna have this like a career, you treat it like a career and you get up every day and you go to work. I don't believe working from home will ever produce the same productivity, especially in a job like real estate where you should be with the people. Cleansing the space, I'm first going to open the front door. We are going to air this all out. You never want energy to sit. Just like we move our body in the morning, we need to move all the energy that's been sitting here all evening. From there, I will turn on the classical music. I love a playlist on Spotify called Morning Classical. I invite you also, I love Taylor Swift, the piano versions. Those are amazing. From there, the music goes on. That's good for the plants. That's good for me. That's good for bringing people in the door. The more we leave the door open, the more music we play, the more people come in. And don't play crap music. Play nice music. Music that the type of client you want to attract in would match. So it's not always about what you like. Think about what you want to attract and then match that. And then you will pull those clients in. You don't want to have to go chasing. We're going to get into this, but we are no longer chasing clients. We're only attracting clients. Attract clients versus chasing them. You do the work. You do the work on yourself. You make yourself so great that they can't help but come right to you. That's what we're going to teach you. So we're just going to start turning on all the lights, literally. So make your office bright and light, and I'm talking bright. We've got neons, we've got tons of pot lights in here. I'm gonna go around and turn everything on. I'll open up the front door, I'll get the music going, and then I'll show you guys the after effect. Thanks, team. You're much appreciated and always loved. Boardroom. Now, to keep things really clean around the office always, I only allow one type of pen, one type of highlighter, one type of marker for the board, unless it's colored, for the tracking walls. You guys, I was gone for 2 months and this place was a fucking pigsty when I got back. It took me 2 days to clean it. And now I'll be cleaning it every single morning. I'm so over just handing things off. It is so much easier for me in life to not chase people and not have to follow up and to just do it myself. And I know that might sound really weird for somebody who has preached leverage for so long, but I'm starting to realize that until I up my circle and I up the services I use, I need to do it myself because outsourcing it is actually costing me more time in follow-up than it is saving me if I was just to do it. And to be honest, I think I should be cleaning my own office at least on this morning kind of spiritual setup, because if I let someone else do it, they're bringing their energy in. I've been thinking about this a lot, but even having my house cleaned by other people, how do I know what those people are getting up to all the time and what kind of shit they have coming off of their auras that they're leaving in my house or my office? Just some food for thought. Up, let's get the smell going. Only one scent. Always use the same scent. Easy peasy. I will sit at the front as my job is to receive clients. Let's open the door. Special book, the baby. Here it is from the outside. Now, how welcoming does that feel? Look, we've got add value, come learn, and then come on in. Doesn't that create a whole new atmosphere? And trust me, they walk right in. Let's keep our windows really neat, only our own branding. We used to help out the other local agents and it was unappreciated, so we no longer do that. We're here for us only. We only keep one flyer in here at all times. Always, always has my photo on it. Seriously, what an adorable team. Is this like a sibling rivalry right now? Like who's gonna go which way? Oh, hi guys. Okay, so I'm ready. Laptop. Next, cold calling book. First thing we're gonna do is dial. We always dial for dollars first. Does that mean we're gonna dial? You ready to dial for dollars? Let's do it. You've got the cold calling book out. Always one book only for your cold calling. It needs to be in its own book. It needs to be separate. All prospecting should be kept separate. Okay, so you just got your first interested one.
That was it.
How did that go?
Felt really good. Good conversation. Got some information. Learned a lot.
Seemed pretty easy?
Did, well, go through the motions.
Could you do it 100 times over?
I think so.
Yeah, you can.
Carry on.